हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे मिसिंग नंबर प्रॉब्लम को। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम गिवन सैम्पल टेस्ट केसेस। दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट सैम्पल टेस्ट केस। इस अरे में 3 एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है। सो द वैल्यू ऑफ n इज इक्वल्स टू 3 एंड द रेंज इज बिटवीन 0 to 3। द नंबर्स दैट शुड बी इन द एरे आर 0, 1, 2 एंड 3। लेकिन जो एरे गिवन है उसमें हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि 2 इज मिसिंग। सो 2 इज द मिसिंग एलिमेंट फॉर दिस टेस्ट केस। फॉर द सेकेंड टेस्ट केस we have the elements 0 and 1. We are having two elements, so n equals to 2 and the range is from 0 to 2. The numbers expected to be in the array are 0, 1 and 2. But जो array given है उसमें 2 missing है. So 2 is the missing element. We have already solved this problem using brute force and summation approach. Third approach is using JOR operator. हमें JOR की कुछ properties के बारे में पता होना चाहिए so that we can easily solve the problem. First one is the truth table. When input bits are same, A or B is 0, and when input bits are different, A or B is 1. JOR is always commutative. A or B is equals to B or A. JOR of any number with 0 is the number itself. JOR of A with 0 is the number itself. JOR of any number with number itself is 0. JOR of A with A is always 0. So we have been given an array 0, 1, 4, 3, n equals to 4 and range is from 0 to 4. So first we need to calculate the JOR of all the numbers present in the given array. So this is the JOR of all the numbers present in the given array. Next we need to calculate JOR of all the numbers in the range 0 to n. So this is the JOR of all the numbers present in the range 0 to n. And final step is to JOR both the things together. Now we need to calculate JOR of these two. And we already know that JOR is commutative, so we can change the order of numbers. So JOR of any number with itself is 0. So 0 JOR 0 is 0, 1 JOR 1 is 0, 4 JOR 4 is 0, 3 JOR 3 is 0. So we are left with the element 2. So 0 JOR 2 equals to 2. JOR of any number with 0 is the number itself. So 2 is the missing element for this sample test case. The time complexity of this solution is order of n since we are iterating the array only once, and the space complexity is order of 1 क्योंकि हम लोग कोई भी extra space consume नहीं कर रहे हैं. This is the algorithm to find the missing number from a given array. In the first step, we are calculating the JOR of all the elements in the array. This is our second step. We are calculating the JOR of all the numbers from 0 to n. And in the third step, we are JORing both the things together.